Hey everyone, so today I was dancing and I had an amazing idea to paint, so I quickly went to Chrome and bought myself a massive canvas. It's already the next day, so let's start working on this massive painting. But first, let's unbox it and start sketching. For this one, I'm using the epic graphite and pen technique to transfer the sketch onto the canvas. Now let's use a ballpoint pen to further transfer the sketch. Okay, it is time to paint, but first, let's shake the Posca marker. Let's get started and enjoy. Before I continue with this painting, let me talk to you about the sponsor of today's video. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, Skillshare, Vexx.com and Apple. I'm just kidding, no one wants to sponsor me.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record.
For the outlines, I didn't have anything to use, so I quickly bought a black Posca marker. Now I can start inking. But first, let's activate the Posca marker. Enjoy.
A6 all the hay. I work in a bar today. So y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I woke in a bar today, got lost in the ballinaise. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.